Ang batang maingay. Oh. Don't shout. Someone is sleeping. Just play only. Just play only. Don't shout. Okay? Someone is sleeping. They will get angry. Okay. Just pray. Just pray. And sleep. Okay? Don't shout, huh? I say don't shout. Why are you shouting? See, you're louder. You make it loud. Why like that? I said don't shout. Keep quiet. Yes, control your voice, okay? Someone is sleeping. Quiet. Just pray. Why suck your finger? Why? You hungry? Huh? Are you hungry? You drink your milk already, ah? Why you hungry? Don't shout, ah? Listen to me. Okay? Don't shout.